Hey folks, thanks again for tuning in to this, it's not really an episode, just a little mini thing that I thought I'd put together for you. It's been a while since I posted anything, and I know how this YouTube thing works, and apparently I'm not working it as well as I should be because I've got other work to do. That's all there is to it, and that's what goes along with this title. So don't confuse the title with any negativity. I actually mean everything positive about this. Thank you so much, Ben, at Crimson Guitars, and thank you very much, Matt and Chris, both of you guys. You know, at Texas Toast. I mean, everything that you guys have done, just incredible. And look at this. I mean, I'm finally getting automated. This is my first cut with the CNC, and holes that are straight, that go through straight. Imagine that. This business is building faster than I thought, and I'm getting orders faster than I imagined. A lot of my customers really appreciate the fact that I do hand carving, and I will. I'll still be doing hand carving. Of course, the neck shaping is still all that back carving. To me, I've got to feel it in my hands. Even once I do start getting the rough stuff cut on the CNC, I'm still going to be doing all that, and a lot of that has been thanks to the exposure of the original Great Guitar Build-Off. And one of the reasons why I'm not in it this year is because of the fact that it is a lot of work. And right now I'm dedicating my work to my customers who have placed orders and building the business into being more proficient and getting those orders out in a more timely manner. But yeah. So it's cool. So I really do appreciate what you guys have done. You've exposed a lot of us to a world that we otherwise would have struggled years to obtain. And all my customers who have helped promote my business for me through either social media or just talking to their friends, and then their friends order guitars, and then their friends order guitars, and then they're at the club and some guy comes up and said, "Hey, where'd you get that guitar?" And I said, "I got off a dude." Yeah, I can't say enough about that, and it's because a lot of the exposure that I got doing the original Great Guitar Build-Off, the unofficial, and then the following year they actually did one for us. For those of you who don't know, that's the fact that I am a charter boat captain. That is my day job. I do take people fishing, and I still do when they actually can come here. You know, when you get $7 a gallon gas, when you got COVID lockdowns, all that stuff, that really affected my business a lot. And luckily I was able to put time into building guitars, working on the craft, getting better at installing frets, leveling frets, and doing inlays, and now programming a lot of the robotic work that I can do here with the CNC. And all of that was stemmed from the Great Guitar Build-Off, the original version. And I know that Ben's gone his way, Matt and Chris gone their way doing these things, and it's great. And for those of you entering the contest, gosh, some of these guitars I'm seeing are absolute gems, just absolutely beautiful works of art. Whether you're working off machine, the guys who are modifying kit guitars, and those who are just building from scratch with chisel, and it's just amazing what you guys are doing. And for those of you who did not get into it this year and see all the competition and wonder if you could do it next year, yeah, do it. Anytime this contest comes out, do it if you can, if it doesn't, create too much stress, because it's supposed to be fun. And for those of you who have done it and are doing it and are having fun, keep it up. That's all I can say. It's a beautiful world. Let's not let what's happened over the last couple years damage us, because if anything, it's built a lot of us, into what we do a little bit better. And again, this is just a video of appreciation more than anything. So, thank you guys.